swimmer. No. I'm gonna slow.
You don't want to swim with the noodle?
Huh?
You don't want to swim with the noodle?
No, I'm gonna spit my gum out.
Oh.
Me too. It's like our garbage can. Where'd it go? Oh. It's right there.
There you go. God forbid I get Jacob in the camera. Is it cold?
Real quick.
Is it cold? I guess that's a yes.
I'm not ready to swim. I can still touch. Oops. What?
Nice,
Oh,
Wendy.
I did not know farting in the water could still smell.